Hello friends, this is KESHAV and welcome all of you in this session. So guys, in this session we are going to solve the moderate level questions of machine input output question, which is very important for any prelims paper, okay, or if you are giving the IBPS clerk mains paper or IBPS RRB mains paper. So it is very important and we should know how to solve these questions, because we can't skip this type of questions because it is very scoring and very easy. Okay, so you can easily score 5 out of 5. Okay, but on the only thing is that you have to understand what is the logic. Okay, if you able to crack the logic, then it will be very easy for you, but if you are not able to crack the logic, it will be very difficult. So to crack the logic, it is very important you have a lot of practice. Okay, so today guys, we will practice this type of questions, and in this session this will be 10-minute session, and in this 10 minutes we are going to solve the 4 questions. Okay, so in these 4 questions we will know what are all the possibility of logic. Fine, so let's start the session. Okay, so the first question is what? This is our first question. Okay, so in the first question, this will be the input. Okay, first of all let's understand what is the question given. Okay, this is the input. Then after that, step 1, 4 steps is there, and in each step some logic has been applied. Okay, so but in any of the steps none of the logic will be repeated. Okay, in all the steps different logic has been applied. Fine, so here you can see how many boxes are there. 6 boxes are there, and each boxes has 2 digits. Fine, so first, that is the first digit and second digit of box 1. Again, first digit and second digit of box 2. Okay, so each boxes has 2 digits. Okay, now in the step 1 we are getting this one, box 1. This one is the box 1 of step 1. This is the second box, this is the third box. Okay, fine, so in step 1 we are getting the box 1 from which boxes? Box number 1 and box number 4. Okay, so we are getting the output is box 1 from which box? From the input of box 1 and box 4. Fine, so again box 2 is getting from box number 2 and box number 5. Okay, fine, and this is box number 3 and box number 6. Okay, so what is the logic to get this box number 1, 2 and 3 of step 1? Okay, so let's understand. So let's see here, what is the digit of box 1 and 2, what is the digit of box 4, 1 and 5? Okay, we have to get 5 and 2. Okay, so you can see here the first digit of box 1 is 1 and second digit of box 4 is what? 5. Okay, so what is the product of these numbers? So 1 into 5, that is equals to 5. And what is the product of second digit and first digit of box 1? Okay, that is equals to 2 into 1. Understand this one. What is the logic? Product of first digit of box 1 and second digit of box 4. Okay, now for the second digit, product of second digit of box 1 and product and first digit of box 4. Okay, the same logic will be followed in box 2. Okay, let's see what is the product of first digit of box 2, okay, and second digit of box 5. Okay, so 3 into 2, fine, 3 into 2, 6. Okay, now second digit, product of second digit and first digit of box 5. Okay, so 2 into 4, 2 into 2, 4. Fine, so box first digit 4, second digit 1, 4 into 1, 4. Fine, so second digit 2 and first digit 4, so 2 into 4, 8. So you can see all the logic is applied in all the boxes. Okay, now come to the step 2. Okay, how to get the step 2? Okay, so in the step 2 you can see here, so what is the sum of the digits? 5 plus 2 plus 6. What is the 5 plus 2 plus 6? Okay, let's see here, we are getting the step 2 from which step? From this step 1. Okay, so sum of the digits, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 6, 13. So this is not the logic. Okay, so you can see here 5 into 2, 10, 10 plus 6, 16. Okay, so this is not the logic. Okay, so let's see here, first of you can see here, what is the sum of all the first digit of all the boxes? 5. Okay, 5 plus 6 plus 4, that is equals to 15. Yes or no? 15. So how we are getting the 15? First sum of all first digit of boxes. Okay, now what is the sum of second digit of all the boxes? 2 plus 4 plus 8, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 8, 14. Okay, so we are getting the logic. Okay, now this one is how product of the digit of first box. Okay, product of digits of second box, 4. Now 5 minus 4, that is equals to 1. So I hope you are able to understand this question. Okay, now let's move to the second questions. Okay, so this is our second question. Fine, second question. Now what is the logic? So we are getting 64, 36 and 25. Okay, so how we are getting 3, 2 and 4, 2 from that 32 and 42. Okay, so product of digits. okay. So 3 into 4, 3 into 4, what it is? 12, okay. So 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 4, okay. So 12 minus 8, what is it? 12 minus 8, 12 minus 4 is equals to 8, 8 square, 64, okay. So what is the logic here? Product of first digit of first box and fourth box, okay. Product of first digit of first box and fourth box, okay. And product of second digit of first box and fourth box is what? 12 and 4. What is the difference of these products? 8. And what is the square of 8? 64, okay. Now let's see how we are getting the box number 2. So product of first digit 6 and 3, 6 into 3, 6 into 3, 18, okay, fine. And what is the product of second digit? 2 into 6, that is 12, 2 into 6, 12, that is equals to 12. So what is the difference? 18 minus 12, that is equals to 6, 6 square, 36, fine. So box 2 is, what is the output of box 2? 36, okay. Now let's see how we are getting the box 3, okay. 5 into 4, that is equals to 20, 5 into 4, 20, okay. Now what is the product of 3 into 5? 15, 3 into 5, 15. So what is the product here? So that is 20 minus 15, that is equals to 5, 5 square is what? 25. So 25 we are getting the logic, okay. So now we got the logic, okay. Now let's move to the step 2, how we are getting the step 2, okay. Let's see here. 6 into 4, 24, okay. 6 into 4, 24, 24 plus 3, 3, how we are getting, from where 3 is coming? First digit of second box, okay. So product of both the digit of first box, and after that we are adding the first digit, okay, in the final output, okay. So 24 plus 3, how we are getting the 16? 2 into 5, product of digit of third box plus second digit number. What is the second digit of box 2? That is equals to 6, that is equals to 16. So I hope you are able to understand the logic, okay. Now let's move to the step 3, okay. How we are getting the step 3? So 7 into 1, 7 into 1 means second digit of box 1 and first digit of box 2, that is equals to 7. 2 into 6, 2 into 6, 12, okay. Now how we are getting the 19? 7, 12, 7 plus 12, that is equals to 19, okay. So I will tell you from my experience that in these 4 steps, okay, only one logic in these all, how many logics are there? 4 logics, okay. In these 4 logics, one logic will be the difficult one, okay. After all remaining, the 3 logic will be very simple and very easy for you, okay. Just you have to understand, just you have to find only one logic, okay. If you are able to crack the one logic of the difficult logic, then the remaining 3 logic will be simple for you, okay. And you can easily score, fine. You can easily score 5 out of 5, okay. So now let's see the next question, guys. So what is our next question? This is our third questions, okay. So in the third questions you can see here that the logic, you have to find the logic, okay. So the box is given, in the box it is given 3 2 6 2 5 3, so 6 boxes are there. So what is the logic in the step 1? How the logic, what logic has been applied in the input? So we are getting the step 1. So you can see what is the sum of the digits? 5. What is the sum of the digit? 8, okay. Here sum of the digit 8, sum of the digit 6, okay, sum of the digit again 9, and this is also 9, okay. So we are getting this step box 1 in the step 1 from which box? Box number 1 and box number 4, fine. So if you multiply the sum of the digits, 5 into 6, what is it getting? 30, okay. So 5 into 6 is 30, okay. So this one is, this box is getting from which box? Box number 2 and box number 5, fine. So what is the logic? Again multiply the sum of the digits, 8 into 9, so that is equals to 72. Again here also we will multiply the sum of the digit, so we will get the third box, okay. So 8 into 9, so we are getting 72, 72 and 30. So we got the logic behind the step 1, okay. Now what is the logic applied in the step 1? So we are getting the step 2. So you can see here, now what is the sum of the digits? Okay, sum of the digits is what? 3, here also 9, here also 9, okay. Sum of the digits of the boxes in step 1, okay. So we are getting the 9. So now we will, if we will add 9 plus 9, okay, 9 plus 9 is what? 18. So we are getting here 18, so 9 plus 9. So sum of the digits of boxes 2 and 3, we are getting the box 1 of step 2, fine. So now let's see how we are getting the same logic is applied, and we are getting the box number 2 in the step 2, okay. So if you add the sum of the digits of box 1 and box 2, okay, so it will be what? 3 plus 9, fine.
Now let's see the step 3, how we are getting the step 3. Simple logic, sum of the digits, 1 plus 8, 9. Okay, 1 plus 8, 9. And again, how we are getting the box 2, 1 plus 2, sum of the digits. Okay, so 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Now how we are getting the box step 4. Okay, how we are getting this box. So simple logic, 9 minus 3, what is the difference of the digits? 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 is equals to 6. And what is the square of 6? 36. So we are getting the logic. Okay, so simple logic is applied here. Okay, now let's move to the next question. Fine. Let's see the next question. So question number 4. So this is our last question. Fine. So question number 4 is what? You can see here same input is there. Okay, whatever the input has been taken in the previous question, same input I am taking in this question number 4 also. Okay, but the logic will be different here. Fine. So what is the logic in step 1? So let's see here. So if I multiply, okay, so here we are getting this box, this one box we are getting from which box? Box number 1 and box number 4. Fine. Now 3 into 4, multiplication of the first digit of box number 1 and box number 4. Again I will repeat, multiplication of digit of box number 1 and box number 4, first digit. Okay, so 3 into 4, 12. So this is getting 3 into 4. Fine. So what is the multiplication? Multiplication of box second digit of box 1 and box 4. So 2 into 2, that is 4. So we are writing the 2 digit. Okay, so 0, 4. Fine. Again 18, how we are getting 18? We are multiplying the digit, first digit of box number 2 and box number 5. Fine, multiplying the first digit of box number 2 and box number 5. So 6 into 8, 3, 6 into 3, 18. Okay, now here 2 into 6, 2 into 6. Fine. So we are getting the logic. Again we are multiplying the sum of multiplying the first digit of box number 3 and box number 6. What is this? 5 into 4, 5 into 4. Fine. And how we are getting 15? 3 into 5. Second digit of box number 3 and box number 6. Okay. Now how we are getting the step 2, 3 and 1. How we are getting? Now how we are getting? So add first digit of box 1, box 2 and box 3. What is the addition of first digit of box 1, box 2 and box 3? 12 plus 18 plus 20. It is how much? It is equals to 50. Fine. So this 50 is written here box 2. So we are getting the box 2 from how we are getting the box 2? We are getting the box 2 by adding the first digit of box 1, box 2 and box 3. Fine. How we are getting the first digit? First box. So we are getting the adding the second digit of box 1, box 2 and box 3. Fine. So 4 plus 12 plus 15. How we are getting? 4 plus 12 plus 15, that is equals to 31. Okay. Now let's see how we are getting the step 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Sum of the digit is how much? 3 plus 1, 4. 4 square is equals to 16. How we are getting the 5? 5 plus 0. 5 plus 0 is equals to 5 and 5 square is equals to 25. Okay. So simple logic, 5 square is equals to 25. How we are getting the 3 in the step 4? Okay. How we are getting 3? So 16 minus 25. 16 minus 25 how much? Sorry, 25 minus 16. 25 minus 16 how much? That is equals to 9. So what is the square root of 9? What is the square root of 9? That is equals to 3. So we are getting the 3. So I hope this logic means you have understood what are all the possibility of the logic. Okay. So I hope this video will help you, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and share among your friends also, so that they will also find it helpful in this through this video. Okay. So if you have any doubt, please ask in the comment box. Okay. And this is not the last sessions I am bringing on this type of questions. I will keep on bringing this type of questions and I will keep you practicing. Okay. Till then guys, keep practicing, stay healthy and stay safe.